Okay, guys, this is away from game. All right, so we're not going to be playing any video games today. We're going to see what happens when you put a pear or plum in a microwave. Okay, so and this is going to be legit. I'm actually cooking it. I'm not like that one guy that just filthy. I'm putting that over it. Let's see how long. Let's do like. Alright. What's in there? This is suspenseful. Well, the reason why I started doing this is because I came across this video and it was titled Experiment, and then like it said, what happens when you put a banana in a microwave? But the guy wouldn't really cook it, he would just like put the banana in the microwave and then take it out. Dude, it's hissing, listen. What the hell? What the fuck? It's like boiling. Alright. So let's see if I can get this out of here. That'll probably be next video. But, ready? Shit. Dude, it smells terrible. It exploded. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. New episodes of this coming soon.